I've actually had these HISEA women's ankle rain shoes for a while now, and I picked them up on Amazon. Honestly, I've been really impressed. They're super lightweight, way lighter than traditional rain boots, which is a huge plus. The TPU material is 100% waterproof, and I've tested that out in some pretty heavy rain. They've held up great. I love that the mesh lining keeps my feet breathable and dry, even when I'm walking for a while. The slip-resistant rubber outsole gives me solid grip on wet surfaces, which is perfect for dog walks or even gardening. Plus, the neoprene lining around the ankle feels really supportive. Whether I'm strolling around the city or heading out for a quick outdoor activity, they've quickly become my go-to shoes. I even use them for working out. So yeah, I hope this video helps you decide on which shoes to get. But so far, I've had them for a while now and it's been great. And happy shopping, everyone!